So my daughter is out of town for the weekend. She and my grandson got COVID over spring break, and so they weren't able to go to Orlando like they planned. So they postponed it for a month, and they are gone. So I'm gonna work on her room. One of the things that I've noticed about her, she's 30 years old, or almost, and her closet is so small. We really need like double racks here. And so that's what I'm going to work on. First, I think I'm going to try and fix her bedroom so that it's the way that she wanted it organized. And then I'll move the clothes from the closet onto the bed, and then we'll see what we can do. But I'm not sure if I'm going to paint the dresser. I might save that for another day, but I do have a bed skirt I'm going to put on here. I do have rails that we're going to put back on the bed. She loves this comforter, so we'll keep that on there. I think it'll work, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, welcome. Moved the dresser from here over here, and I'm gonna fix those knobs on there. I might even change some, but for now it looks good. So my goal for this room was to give it a little makeover without spending any money. So what I did was, after cleaning it up, I found this rug that I removed from my dining room a few months ago after I purchased a new one for it. And I've had it sitting in my garage, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get rid of it, donate it, or what. But when I did this room, I realized, hey, this looked really cute in there. So first it went. After I put her frame back together, I realigned where the rug was going to lay and put the bed back. This bed skirt was actually a king bed skirt, and it was on my bed before I purchased a new one. So I just made it fit. It works great. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time? I did end up purchasing some new sheets that I think will look really lovely with the bed, but it won't be until later in the week. I haven't done to make you know. Looks like my little poppy wants to be part of the surprise too. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. Making progress. It's coming along. I made this slip cover for this little bench before. So I'm just putting it back on. But one thing is for sure is it needs a headboard. So while I was in my garage, I found another one of these shutters that I've used all over my house. I made one as a privacy screen in my backyard, and I used one in my entryway to hold a wreath right by my bench. I found this was white. I painted it a creamy white, and then over the top of that, it was like a mushroomy color. And so I wanted it to look a little distressed. And so I just threw paint on it, actually. And I think it made a really good headboard. I'm not sure whether you caught one of my earlier videos where I decoupaged these pictures that are above the headboard from my bedroom. I will link that video in the description box, but I had them hanging in my bedroom for a while, and where I had them, I thought they were a little too big. So when I was going to bed the night before thinking about this bedroom, I thought, you know what, those are perfect colors for this room. So I just kind of put them on her bed and hung them up the next day, but they look great. Next, a friend of mine had given me, these were used to be those like saloon doors that separated the kitchen from a dining room, and he took them out of his house and asked me if I wanted them. And I said, sure, I don't know what I'll do with them, but I was trying to figure out some way to hang a sconce type light. And so I had this shade that I had bought at, during the Round Top Antique Festival in the fall of last year. And I knew I was going to do something in her bedroom. That's when her bed was kind of in the corner there. But now that it's in the middle of the room, I felt like I needed something on both sides. So I'm so excited to show you what I did to give her two shades. So I had these hooks that I had purchased on Amazon for some of my other sconces, including the one in my bedroom. And I connected it to the back, and the light kit, I just hang it on that hook and have it go behind the shutter. Okay, so I've got to show you what I picked up. Oh, I found this. It was in my bedroom. And I don't think it's too much, do you? Either here or there. Or I can put it above her television. I don't know, I'll decide in a second, but I'm so excited. Okay, so I was trying to figure out what to do with this. I wanted two shades, and I only had that one. But I found these trash cans at Target. They were $15 a piece. And I think that would work. So let's give it a shot. So earlier when I was looking at shades, I was scanning through Amazon and Google, and every shade that was kind of boho inspired was a lot more money than I wanted to spend. And I remembered going through the Target dollar spot and finding these little collapsible baskets, but I thought maybe they will work. I'm not sure. I'll have to go and see. So I went to Target and looked around that dollar spot, and I actually found some cute little baskets, and I thought that might work. They're just too small. And then I went around to the bathroom section and found these waste paper baskets. It was exactly what I was looking for, and I just wasn't sure if it was going to be too big. So check it out. It was perfect.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy.
So that's good. I got another set of sheets. So this is also what I found. This little basket. Because I found these at first, but they're too small. But I did find another little plant. Oh crap, I broke it. Well, that's nice. Well, I guess I'll use this. I put this over here to hide the little cords. That'll work. What else? I must have just done that. Okay, so I brought more knobs because I have one that's missing down there. I had it in my storage unit. But I found these. So this will look good instead of these back here. And these from Target were $15 a piece as also. Oh, nice. And there you have it. Isn't it cute? I love the way it looks. I think these sheets are fine, but the new ones are going to look really good on it too. I hung this little coat rack I had stored in my closet on that side wall, and I changed out some of the knobs on her dresser, and it just looks so cute. I love it. It looks so much more grown up, I think, than it did before. And she came home today and is thrilled with how it looks. This window pane picture frame thing is something I brought at Kirkland's, and it really always hung vertically, but I changed out all of the clips so that I could hang it horizontally, and it's perfect.
Waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
So I hope this encourages you to shop around your house and see what you can use from other sections of your house or your garage or anything actually, and see what you can do. I enjoy the way that I've decorated, but I also really enjoy it when I use it in a different way or change which room it's in. It freshens up the room and lets me take some of my collected pieces and bring them to the front. So I'm so glad that I managed to decorate this room with very little cost. The only thing was those shades and the sheets that I purchased. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these kinds of videos, please give this a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe. I'm going to work on her closet next, and that'll be a part 2. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Liberty's on my mind.